shoot, that hurt.
Knockout.
Oh, jeez.
Fur.
Well, you want to get some drink? Can I drink on you? I want to drink on you. Can I drink on you?
No!
Come on, Mugman.
No!
Mugman.
No!
Mugman.
No! You can't drink me.
Why not?
Because that's freaking inappropriate. I'm your brother. If you drink me, I'm dead, okay? If you drink yourself, you're dead, and then I have to hover my body, and then you're gonna kill me, and then I count to...
Oh, yeah, I got it. Well, I'm gonna drink...
Well, forget it.
Well, this is very good.
Oh, my. You know you're dead.
See, Mugman, I drank all myself. It was delicious.
You know you're dead.
Save me now!
Oh, you're ugly.
No, I'm not. Save me! Save me right now!
Okay. Knockout. I'm gonna die, right? This is good.
Of course.
I don't want to die. Subscribe!
Gee, Cuphead, fighting all day sure is tiring.
Works up quite a thirst, doesn't it, Mugman?
This is the
And
original.
I wish we had something to drink. Oh, I have an idea!
No!
Come on, Mugman!
No!
Mugman!
This is before.
No.
Mugman!
You can't drink me.
Well, why not?
I don't know what you think is in here, but I'm pretty sure we have liquid brains. It could also be our bladder, stomach, or blood, but no one really knows. Not to mention all the ideas fanfic writers have.
Well, if I can't drink you, then I'll just have to drink myself.
Please don't do that.
Forget it.
Guys, this is
This
the
is
YouTube-
pretty good.
Jesus.
This is the regular.